What is a charitable remainder trust? Attorney Stephen Bliss says, the charitable remainder trust is a very popular vehicle. The idea on the charitable remainder trust is that you are sitting on an asset such as a piece of real estate that you have owned for a long time, and you purchased it for very little money, and it is now worth a lot of money. So much so that if you turned around and sold it right now, you would pay a lot of money to the government in capital gains taxes. The idea of the charitable remainder trust is that you give it to the charitable remainder trust, and in turn, the charitable trust then turns around and sells the piece of real estate. Since the trust is a charity, it doesn't have to pay any capital gains taxes on the sale. Therefore, you have the full value of the asset sitting in this charitable remainder trust that you just converted from an investment of some kind, whether it's real estate or stocks or whatever, into a big pile of cash. What you then do is that you invest the money, and every year for the rest of your life, you take out either a percentage payment out of it or the income that the trust generates. Then, when you die, whatever is left over then goes to the charity that you have set up when you created the trust. The idea is to be able to live off of a bigger pile of money while you are alive and give a bigger gift to a charity when you die. People might say, well, wait a minute, my kids don't get that money. Yes, but there are ways to handle that. For instance, the trust can then buy a life insurance policy on you that is then payable to your children. So the insurance policy pays the kids the death benefit free of both income and estate taxes, so everybody wins. So it is basically a lot of creative work in order to be able to not give the government hardly any money in taxes and maximize income and death gifts for everyone involved. For a free consultation, call Attorney Stephen Bliss at 858-228-4433 or visit his website at www.steveblisslaw.com.